Hi, I'm going to walk you through to the multimodal AI tutor. So the goal of the system is to combine a chat and a whiteboard for interactive learning and personalized tutoring. The system is split up into two panels. On the left side, you can see the chat. You can see the messages of the tutor and answer him. On the right side, you have a whiteboard. You can draw things, for example, this, undo, redo, clear everything. And also the tutor can generate a plot, which is then seen here, and you can annotate the plot. You also have a calculator if you need it to calculate stuff. So in order to start the session, you just type anything. For example, type hi. And then it starts and he asks us, hey, can you please tell me your current grade level or the level of statistics you are studying? So we're saying, yes, I am a beginner in statistics. So I'm told him that I'm a beginner, and he's gonna explain us the concepts based on a beginner level. So it's very simple. Our exercise for this is to calculate the 95% confidence interval for this data, and instead of directly calculating it, we're starting simple. So he asks us, do you know what the sample mean is? If yes, can you tell me how you would calculate it? If not, no worries. So what we're doing is just claim, yes, I know what it is. I'm telling him, yes, I know it. And instead of just accepting it, because I just claimed it, he asked me to explain it again. So how would I calculate it? I would sum up all the values and then divide by the count. So I claimed it, and he asked a clarifying question if I really know it. So then, exactly right, the sample mean is the sum of all data values divided by the number of values. So it's correct. And in order to verify that I really understand it, he plotted this graph, as you can see on the right side, and asked me to place the sample mean on this plot. For example, we do it wrong again. We put it around here and send it back to him. And then he analyzed this plot at my marking, and he sees that I place it between 27 and 28, which is not correct. He's also telling us that and asking us to move the vertical line again. So I'm thinking again, and it must be somewhere here. So, oh yes, sorry, I corrected it. I'm gonna update it, I'm sending it back, and then he says, great correction. You marked the sample mean around age 23 or 25, which is fell in the center of data distribution. And then he's asking more questions. And if I'm done with that, he's going to the next concept, which I need to calculate the 95% confidence interval. So this works, or behind the scenes is a multi-agent setup. So we have three different agents. The first one is the main agent. He handles the conversation and the pedagogy. We also have a mathematical agent. He's responsible to validate the answers. So if we calculate something, he's checking them, checking the calculations and reduce arithmetic errors. And we have also a visualization agent, which is responsible to generate a plot like this one. This tutor was tested with students, staff, and different professionals. And in general, it was seen as very useful to not have only the chat, but also an interactive whiteboard. And in comparison to, for example, ChatGPT, you can really learn something. If you ask something, he's gonna not answer directly, but help you to really understand it. And so you have a learning effect. So for a wrap up, This system shows how multimodal large language model can support personalized tutoring. And instead of just giving away the answers, the model or the AI is aligned with pedagogy, so you have effective learning.